Hi. Welcome to our channel Cadd Excellence Center. We at Cadd Excellence make tutorial videos of software easily available for all needing them for skill improvement or on job purposes. If you like our tutorials, kindly support us by watching the full videos. Today we will look at the arc tool. We need to select the 3-point arc tool. Here the hint is provided by mentioning 1, 2, and 3 point. Follow these steps and arc will be created. Now we use the second type of arc to create tangent arc. This way we can easily create arcs. Now for the polygon, select the tool, then put the value or how many sided we want for the polygon, and also we can choose if we want it to be inscribed or circumscribed. After creating things, just dimension them using the Smart Dimension tool. Next tool we have is the spline tool. This is the flexible line having 4 different types. As we create a spline with only 2 points, it looks like a straight line. Same process with 3 points. Now look, we have controls on the points. We can make modifications in the spline using these controls. We can use the dimensions and relations. Then we have ellipse tool. It has 2 diameters or 2 radius values. Just keep following the steps and we will be ready to use these tools. Keep putting the dimensions and relations. The black color indicates that our sketch is fully defined. Hope today's tutorial is clear.